To change the keyboard language on OnePlus 13, first we need to open a settings on our device. Now you'll be able to scroll down and look for System and Update, enter it, and then go for your keyboard and input method. Then there's the option to select your current keyboard and make sure that you have either a Gboard or if you're using different keyboard, the entire process might be a bit different. Now we can go to Manage Keyboards and select our Gboard. That is my default keyboard right here. And we can go for the languages options. And you can find all of the languages you have installed right here, or you can add additional ones by clicking on Add Keyboard. Choose whichever one you like and click on Done, and that way you'll be able to pick that language during the next time that you're going to use your keyboard. So let's pop open a Google, and then we're going to try to actually type in something in that language. We can click and hold space right here, which allows you to open the language method, and you can use this one right now. And additionally, if you're using different keyboards, you can sometimes click on the globe icon to also change to different languages.